guys, so based off the clip you just saw right now, I really am driving my car around like this. It is something driving around town like this. You get a look every now and then, but I glued this on, I would say 2 or 3 days ago, and it's pretty hard now. Right here it was pretty bad just because, you know, it was so thick. Plan for today is I need to throw fiberglass in here and get at least a decent amount put on. I need to get this bodywork to match this, because if you look right now, it's pretty close, but it comes up just a little bit. So I got to shave a little bit off, which is okay. You know, I could have warped it when I was ripping it off, but that's all right. Now, I am on a bit of a tight schedule for this. Today is Tuesday. I have work tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and I took Thursday off. I have up to Thursday to get that body worked and then swapped out with the blue door that we took off, which is right here looking all fine and dandy. So the reason for this is I'm picking my STI back up for the summer, and I don't need this car around for the summer because it's my winter beater. Now, I don't have a lot of driveway space, otherwise I would have kept the car here, worked on it, and you know, it would have been good and dandy. So what I have to do is get all that body worked and fitted to appear like it was always there, and then I could do the rest of it off the car. That's no problem. I could do it like on a table. It's really not that hard. I could bust it out in a weekend. I'm not really too worried about it. When we go and park the car, I need to not only do the door, I have to do the side skirt, the front bumper, and the driver's side fender. That's quite a bit of stuff I have to paint, but that's okay. I could probably get the paint for like $200, $250, something like that, so I'm not too worried about it. We're going to be going with the same paint. Of course, I'm not going to be doing any blending. However it comes out is however it comes out. I don't know. It is what it is. In my honest opinion, I would paint this car again. If this was a show car, I would not be happy with it. But I mean, for a winter beater and a first time, I think it came out pretty good. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start on this door. And to start off, we're going to take this flap disc, grind away probably up to here, and I'm going to grind away in here just so we got some bare metal to stick to, and scuff this up a bit, and we're going to lay some fiberglass all in here. If it dries in time, I'm going to sand it down again, do some Bondo glass, and if that dries in time, we're going to do some normal body filler. And the reason for time is because it's like 5 o'clock I think right now, and it's not too chilly, but it's very windy, and you know, it's gonna get dark eventually, and I just can't keep working on it. Well, this is what we're sitting like. I did a little bit in here, just enough to kind of get a layer on. We're not flush to the door, but we're pretty close. I'm gonna sand it down a bit, throw a little bit of Bondo glass probably in there and body filler. But to really get the strength, I'm eventually gonna go up and under and throw a lot of PL like I did last time. So I was hoping to get more done today, but just from the temperature, this fiberglass is not drying. I've been out here for probably like 30 minutes now, just literally waiting for it to dry. So it's still pretty tacky just to the touch. So I'm gonna leave it for now, let it cure overnight and through the day. And then tomorrow I'm gonna tackle it again. I have tomorrow and the next day to really get this done. But in all honesty, all I gotta do is get this part matched up to the other side and we'll be done. After about 24 hours of drying, this is what we're looking like. Rock solid. Everything is dry. I'm gonna go ahead, start scuffing all of this up and getting it ready for some Mondo glass and then regular body filler. I'm focusing just around this area just because I need to get this transition perfect. And then off the car, I can do the rest. So I'm gonna bang this out because I'm really running out of time. I need to get this done by tomorrow. So enjoy the time lapse. Alright, so we have a problem. Shortly after filming that time lapse, I went ahead, threw some of this Bondo glass on, and it's like kind of hardening now, but it is still kind of sticky to the touch. That's okay. The problem is, I put this on, I waited like half an hour, went to go eat dinner, so it's been on there for at least an hour and a half, and it's still wet. So the temperature is dropping so fast, I just can't finish this, and I'm gotten to the point to where, you know, I'm kind of screwed out of time. And tomorrow it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to snow in the beginning of April. So I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna just kind of seal this stuff up and bring the car to Alliston where I park it, and then spend like a Saturday and get this kind of section right here bodyworked. Get this section bodyworked, make sure it's how I want it, and then take the door off, bring it back to Brampton, and then finish the rest of it in Brampton, get it ready for paint, and just do all that, because right now I don't know what to do. So that really sucks. There's really not much I could do about it at this time. It's just the weather is making this impossible. So I'm gonna seal up this bare metal that I exposed because there was a rust spot there, and I'm gonna work on this again another day because right now I can't do anything. So for now, if you enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. 96% of my viewers are not subscribed, so that's awesome. And as always, take it easy.